Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video we will test together some new eyeshadow palettes by Essence, and I have the Mermaid Eyeshadow Box 3 My Shell is My Castle, and also To the Moon and Back eyeshadow box for one way only. And these are so cute. I was at the drugstore again and I saw that Essence had some new eyeshadow palettes and I grabbed them immediately because I thought I would never ever find them again. And I have also the box 1 and the box 2. I have already reviewed these and I will link down below the videos. For today's video, I think I want to use the mermaid one because it is very cute and I want to do something with the purpley shades. So the Mermaid Eyeshadow Box 3 says, take a deep dive into the ocean and bring out your inner mermaid. An eyeshadow palette with aquatic hues and the dazzling shades of the underwater world to create mesmerizing looks. 10 matching mermaid colors with amazing effects ranging from matte to metallic that can be combined in every way. And as we can see, all of the shades are shimmery except this one here that it is matte and it is a very light pink color. I will try to use it into my crease, but I don't think it will work as a crease color. And all the other shades are shimmery. We also have two dual tone eyeshadows. This one here, the darkest one, is this shade here. It is like a blue, brown, purple shade, and it also has some very fine gold micro glitter in it, which they are scattered everywhere. The other shade that it is duochrome is this lilac color. This one here, it is a lilac color with a blue sheen to it. A lot of the shades are very powdery when you swatch them. I don't find that the swatches are representative of how an eyeshadow will work, but they are very powdery. I was very excited for this eyeshadow here. It is a gold eyeshadow, but it is so flaky and it has so much fallout. So this is the gold eyeshadow. First of all, I will take an eye blender brush by Essence and I will take this light pink color and I will use it as a crease color so we can see if it will work on my skin tone. Yeah, this is not visible on my skin tone. This is very light, that's the reason. It is like a whitish pink color. This is definitely not a crease color. No, for hooded eyes this will not work, guys. No. For my crease colors, I will use this little guy here. This is the Million Nude Faces, again by Essence. I have a review about it. I will link it down below. And in this one, we have very nice colors. This is a completed makeup palette. I will take this grayish brown color and I will apply it into my crease. For my brow bone highlighter, I don't like any of the shades. We have a light pink shade, but I don't want to use this one. I think it will make my eyes irritated. It is a very vibrant pink shimmery shade. I don't want to use this one. So I will use again the Million Nude Faces and I will use this light champagne color. This is a very pigmented eyeshadow and I only dip my brush into the eyeshadow once and I use it on both of the eyes, so it is not so intense. And with no additional product, I will just blend everything together. Okay, so let's go again to the Mermaid palette and I will take another eye blender brush and I want to see if I can use a shade that we have here as a crease color. Maybe I will use this blue electric color. I will take this blue electric eyeshadow and I will apply it very close into my crease. I want to see if this will give any definition and how it blends. This eyeshadow blends very easy because it is a shimmery shade and it gives some color, but it is not what I want. So I will apply it on the other eye as well. very close into my crease, and I just go back and forth. Okay, anyway, I will use another color again by the Million Nude Faces to complete the eye look. For my outer third of my eyelid, I will take the darkest shade. So this blends very nice, and it is not as intense as it looks in the pan. I will try just to pat it to make it more intense. I will clean my brush on a tissue and I will just blend the edges. I want everything to be very well blended. I thought that this eyeshadow would be a little bit more intense. So let's move on to the next color, and I want to use this Lilac Duochrome color because I want to see how it will look on my eyes. This color, I feel that it is not very pigmented, but I never like duochrome eyeshadows. I don't know why. I always feel that they don't look very intense on my eyes. I like that the eyeshadows are blending very easy into each other and also on my eyelid, but they are not very intense. I want to add a little bit more definition on this part here of my crease. So I will take again the Million Nude Faces. I will take this matte red brownish shade and also blend it towards your brow bone to have a very nice gradient of color. Next, I will take this brown, blue, purple eyeshadow, you know, the darkest one, with an eyebrow eyebrow brush by Essence. I always use this one for my lower lash line. I never use it for my eyebrows. And I will take this dark shade and I will apply it only on the outer third of my eyelid. And after that, I will take the baby blue eyeshadow and I will apply it in the inner lower lash line. So I don't have any fallout, I like that. I will take with a pencil brush by Morphe this gold eyeshadow and I will apply it for my inner corner highlights, and I want to see if it will go everywhere. It is going everywhere. So I will take again the darkest shade. I want to intensify a little bit more my outer corner. I will also take again the red brown shade to intensify the crease a little bit more. I will take this dark brown shade from the Million Nude Faces eyeshadow box and I will use a precise eyeliner brush by Essence, tap the excess off, and I will line my lashes very close to my lashes to give them a fuller effect. For mascara, I will use the Lashes of the Day Super Volume Mascara by Essence. So this is how my lashes look with the mascara and no mascara. It gives a nice volume, but I think I would like them to look fuller. With my Falsies Volume Express mascara, I can do it better. If you have longer lashes than me, you will like this. It defines very nice lashes. So I will continue with my lips. I will review a new palette by Catrice Cosmetics. I will post that video next week. I will do some check-ins and a wear test at the end of the video, and I will also tell you my thoughts about this palette. Hi guys, so it's been 8 hours and let's see what happened with our eyeshadows. So, oops, oh my god, I'm going to lose my mirror. So, as we can see, I have some fallout right here. It is from the gold eyeshadow. Also, I have some blue patches of eyeshadow here and here. And I know that it is not from the mascara because I have used this mascara at least 5 times now and I never had this. So, it is the eyeshadows. Yeah, I don't like that I have these patches. Why? The eyeshadows didn't crease and the intensity looks very similar like before. I don't like that I had the fallout and I don't like these weird blue patches. Not good for me, not. I am not so excited about this palette because you cannot do a completed eye makeup only with this eyeshadow palette. We have only one matte shade and all the other are shimmery. I would prefer if this teal eyeshadow and this blue eyeshadow, they were matte. I think this way we would be able to complete our eye look. This gold eyeshadow is very flaky and it goes everywhere when you apply it. I also don't like that I have fallouts from the blue eyeshadows that I have applied in the lower lash line, and that may be this dark blue, brown, purple eyeshadow over here, or I don't think it is the baby blue because the baby blue is very baby blue. The eyeshadows are very blendable and I like that they are fun colors. I just find that this eyeshadow palette is not completed. So this little cutie pie here is a miss for me and I wanted so much this to work for me. I prefer these two by Essence again, the Million Nude Faces and the In Love with Rose. I find that these are completed eyeshadow palettes and I am very excited to use for next week this one here with the galactic eyeshadows, the To the Moon and Back eyeshadow box. This is the eyeshadow box 4. Oh, I have used them in the correct order. 1, 2, 3, 4. I cannot stay mad with this palette. It is so cute. Let me know in the comments below if you have tested any of these eyeshadow boxes by Essence and if you like them and which one is your favorite one. If you want to learn more about makeup and also see some more videos from me, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and I will see you in my next video. Bye!